Is I brush that I don't see. Hold on. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we were playing with a new palette of mine. This is my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition by BH Cosmetics. So if you look at this color story, these are just some gorgeous shades. I am wearing them on my eyes right now. They're all shimmer, which was a little bit trickier for me to do. However, you're just gonna have to wait and see. If you want to know how I got this look, make sure you stick around. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So I've already primed my eyes using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I used this and I just dabbed it in using my AOA sponge, and we are gonna get right into it. So opening the palette like this, you can see that they're all shimmer shades. So this is going to be a little bit of a different look than I'm used to, but I've already kind of thought it out. So this is a complete first impression of these shadows going on my eyes. So we are just going to wait and see. I'm going to use my Luxie. This is a fluffy brush, and I want to go in with this shade right here. So this is a nice little purple shade, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and focus this in my crease area. I do have a plan, so bear with me. And I'm just tapping it and just sort of pulling it across. Okay. So I normally would never put a shimmer shade in my crease, but because we are doing a first impression of this whole palette and there are no matte shades, we're going for it. So I really like BH Cosmetics. You guys have been here before, you know that. They are some of my favorites. So I'm just going to do the same thing on both eyes. Taking the same fluffy brush, now that I have both eyes done, I am going to go over to this side of the palette and I'm going to go into one of these pink shades just to kind of lighten, just to give a little bit more dimension. I'm going to go in with this shade here, so it's just a little bit more highlighty. I'm going to use the same brush though, since these will be blended together. And I'm just going to focus this color a little bit over the purple. It's really pretty. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this shade right here. So this is a really nice kind of aqua blue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush. This is my by Cargo Cosmetics. This is that brush. And I'm just going to focus the blue now all over my lid. There is quite a bit of fallout on this, so don't be alarmed. And next I'm going to go in with a deeper shade of blue, which will be the one right beside that first color right here. And I'm going to take that on the other side of this brush, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of my eyes. Going back in with that first brush, I'm going to go back into the purple shade now, and I'm just going to clean up these edges just to make sure everything's nice and blended. And the last step is I am going to take a brush that I don't see. Hold on. And last but not least, I am going to take this really pretty yellow shade right here with this M326 Morphe brush, and I'm just going to take that and focus it on the inner corner of my eye. And that's that. I am going to clean up all of these lines, and I will be back with the rest of my makeup on. And we are back. I have put the rest of my makeup on. I lined my eyes using my Revolution Makeup eyeliner. I received that in a sub box. I used my voluminous mascara from L'Oreal, and I am wearing a whole face of some newer products that are linked in a different video, so I will try and link that up here. Please let me know in the comments below if I ever forget to do something. Tell me, be like, dude, you said you were going to do this. Why didn't you? Because that's what I need, because I will forget everything. So I really enjoy the look of this. They are different. I'm not usually somebody who would use only shimmer shades, but I really do like this palette. I can see myself reaching for more of these shades. Let me know in the comments below, do you want me to use this palette for a second look? Because I really think I could come up with like 50 looks based on this palette. So you guys let me know in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all.